whenever I don't do anything on the weekends. Oh, we went to go watch the new Fantastic Four. That was cool. That was real cool.
All right, cool.
Yeah, that was good, man. It was good.
Wow. Okay.
Do you want to try being on the stream?
How does that work?
Let me see.
What do I need to do?
I don't know. Let's see. Invite guest. I need a new link, so I need to send you this link. Okay. Let me do it this way.
How do you send it?
I'm going to send it via email so that you can open it up on your computer. Yeah. On your pewter.
Computer.
Yep. Add link to stream. Send. I've never done this. Well, actually, I shouldn't say I've never done it. I've done it probably once, so we're gonna experiment with it.
Okay.
Picture press. I've done it probably once, so it's delayed.
And I'm assuming my camera has audio, so
cool.
I should be able to hear you without being on the phone.
Oh, there you go.
Right?
Yeah, should be.
Link to stream, studio, restream should come up. Yeah, on that. Okay.
Okay, click on it, see what happens.
Sure.
It's probably going to ask you for your name.
Isaac Newton. Okay.
Anything happening on your side?
Oh yeah, hold up.
Okay, so.
Hold up.
Oh, cool. High Altitude has joined. Add to the stream.
Is that all you see?
Yeah,
all I see is your hand, your left hand.
I think that's what
so I can't go all the way to the other side. My cord's not long.
Okay.
But where I have, wait, can you hear me on the computer?
Well, I don't have my speakers on. Let me turn them on. I'm gonna mute you out. Oh no, I totally hear it.
Does it sound worse?
Hold on.
Does it sound worse?
No, it doesn't. It sounds really good.
Okay.
You can hear me, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Oh, we can actually get off the phone.
Okay. All right. So now you got me there?
Yes, sir. That's cool.
How do I see enter full screen? Okay. Well, the thing is, like on my camera is 16:9. So what you're seeing is not what I'm seeing on my camera. You know what I mean?
Oh, really? You can possibly, let me see.
That's probably more on your end, huh?
Yeah, possibly maximize, customize.
Yeah, because I got all of me on my side, but.
Oh, I see. So yeah. I can do a wide lens and you can get all of me. Yeah, and I can get all of you.
Okay.
Isn't that a John Legend song or something like that?
I don't know, but it sounded romantic.
Wow, that's crazy, dude. I can see you.
Okay. Let's find the correct volume to hold. I guess there's no issues with that. No reverb or whatever you call it.
Nope.
Are we? Yeah, we are live on YouTube.
Yes, sir. We are.
have like one indication of that. What does this mean? Edit avatar video setting. Okay, cool. So yeah, I bought this little thing at Best Buy.
That's cool. How much was it?
$160.
Damn, much better than mine. And mine was $70. I should just had you buy me one. Damn it.
It was the most expensive one they had. You know me. I was like, well, that's probably the best one.
That's what I did with at Walmart.
It was the 70. Okay, excuse me. Number 3 on the coffee cup.
Oh, 3. I like how you still have the little dinging bell.
So forewarned, the camera's facing directly towards my bedroom door. And
It's probably not a good
right here.
right there. Yeah.
And Jess usually pops out, you know.
Interesting. Well, I
Surprise.
mean,
So,
all of YouTube will.
yeah, well, it'll be there forever.
Yeah, so just FYI.
Yeah.
And it's live. It's not that like we're recording this to put it as a oh wow, look at that. Market is pushing higher.
Okay. All right, everything's opened up. Yeah, I prefer the camera over here. Looking back at everything that I do, I need a USB-C extension. Is that something Walmart would have?
Yes. In fact, I might have one. I'll look later and let you know.
Yeah, because I need to stop by and grab that sheet that you got.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Sweet.
Oh shit, that's hot. Okay. Well, so obviously massive gap last night, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna, as much as I enjoy watching your screen, I don't need to do that.
Oh, you watch my screen.
There for a second, just kind of seeing how it all looks. I mean, it doesn't look great. I need to do something with that. Like I said, over here looking back would be better. Probably less glare. I don't know.
Nice.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, huge. That's a new week open gap, right? We're gonna be watching that all week. And I bet you ES has already filled it. Let me look. Oh yes. So ES went down, and so we filled that gap. ES has a large 4-hour BISI as well, right below it. Excuse me.
See that.
And it's 1 hour as well. 1 hour's got some action there. In fact, if you hit the CE of the 4-hour BISI, it's a 1 hour fill. Anyway, you'll see that on your chart.
Oh, I see that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nothing like that on NASDAQ necessarily.
Let's see. I haven't even gone through the list here. Liquidity, highs and lows. I'm just going to mark them out.
Yeah, I've done all that already on my end. So see what happens.
Low.
You don't recognize
that is not a 4-hour BISI. That is new week open gap.
That's crazy.
Liquidity inefficiencies. We're in that. There's liquidity there on the 1 hour.
So I transferred money out of Trade of 8 like 9 days ago. I still don't have it.
Into Trade of 8.
No, from Trade of 8 to me.
From Trade of 8.
It has not paid me.
And it's not available to trade at all?
No, you're understanding. I withdrew everything from Trade of 8, and I still don't have it in my personal bank account.
In your personal
That was
account.
9 days ago.
9 days minus 2 days for Saturday and Sunday. 1, 2,
Sure.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
But it's too long. I'm just like, this is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Oh, Robert's calling. Okay.
Tell him we don't deal with that old school phone shit anymore.
Well, we are going through it. What's going on?
Well, I can't. It won't let me place an order. Every time I click on buy, whether or sell either one, maybe whenever I click on buy, no matter if I do it, on the blue box on the right hand side or on the screen.
Mm-hmm. Right.
What I do there, I get over at the bottom left of the screen.
Take profit order. That's not right. Yeah, you're putting it in the wrong spot. That's weird. Take profit order. Do you have an order on right now? Yeah, are you in the market or not? Do you have a position? Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, when yeah, you can't put let's see. No, I don't really know right now, but I will have to call you back though, and maybe we can get it figured out after this is all going. All right, man, I will.
I just sent Robert a link.
No, no, that's his dad.
Oh, well, I sent him a link just in case he wants to tune in, dude.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, well, not to the actual stream, to the YouTube live event.
I got you.
Not the actual, to join the stream.
I would prefer to see this gap get filled. I guess I could pull a fib. Let's see. And then I need to put in our quadrants here.
48, that's 50 points away now.
Okay. I mean, so if I do that, we went right to the 0.786. Didn't even really hit it. Got close. From open or close to open for the new week open gap.
Got it.
All they do is bark. Just bark. If we're doing this, I might have to get a different speaker.
Oh.
I mean, I can hear you, but it's the monitor.
Oh, I see.
Funds are available in ETF strategies, so I'll be doing that today.
Oh, that's cool. I wrote down. I came across. I can't remember if it was TikTok or YouTube, but I wrote down some volatile stocks.
Stocks or ETFs?
Yeah, stocks, not ETFs.
Okay.
Let me send them to you.
Why you want to do that with a stock?
Well, it's possible. We're looking for volatility, and I believe these would offer that. I haven't actually looked that deep into them. I just wrote them down. I came across again like some TikTok or something.
Okay. Oh my goodness! All they do is bark. So you need to be double. So actually, I can get pretty far. For instance, if I am 0.655, hold on.
I know what you just did.
Dog. I mean, so that offers times, let's see, times 12. Yeah, 37% at the 21s and SOXL. What am I looking at? 5-minute chart did not displace. Yeah, I'm patient here.
Mm.
And that's not a terrible spot to get started. I think I might get started there with this one. Now that would cost me $2,000. Yeah, let's get set up here. Let's go for this. Let's go for 65 for one of these. We're gonna collect $65.
Yeah.
And I got it.
Wow! What ETF?
SOXL. It's the semiconductor bull 3-time ETF.
So.
And so it begins. $65, okay, for 30 days.
I'll write this down too.
Huh?
Let's see. I want to write this down for my info.
Right. So I invested. It's $2,100. That's the cash that I put out there. It's $2,100. So 65 divided by 2,100 is 0.03. So 3%. That's for a month. So times 12, that's 37% return annualized.
37%. Wow.
But I'm only using, in this case, 2,100 that I put up into an investment.
2,100. Sweet.
Keep an eye on NASDAQ here.
Yeah.
ETHA is also another one.
What's ETHA?
iShares Ethereum Trust.
Ethereum. That's crypto. I'm pulling up Thinkorswim right now.
Okay. So let's see how that works. And so this thing's been as low as 11 in April at our lows. 50% pull back from here. I mean, you're going to be pretty.
What was that first ETF that you did?
SOXL.
Wow, is that 70? Oh, in June. Wow. Trade.
So what did we decide? We decided that we wanted to look at like a really hard hit, maybe be able to enter 3 or 4 times into it if it has a major pullback as we continue to sell calls and puts against the position. 25, and that is actually not a bad place. to be in. It's really not.
Oh, and then you went, what, 32 days out?
ETHA. Yeah, that's where we're at. I wanna throw something at you. I'm in two right now. I'm gonna stop there. I'm not gonna get too crazy. Basically, I'm following. To begin, I'm following implied volatility, right, on the option chain to try to get the most. I still shooting for 30%, 35%, but trying to get the most premium that I can. For instance, I just sold 70 cents. I got right.
Yeah.
So divide that by 25 and times 12. That's putting it 33%.
So you're consistently hitting 30%. Well, in this case, 35% between both of them, average.
Because I'm going to have 20% cash, right?
Nice.
So the math is that I could get 30% on least funds available, or total funds available, right?
Total funds. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going for a little bit more now. I'm gonna.
Oh, let's stop there for a second. Looking at NASDAQ.
Yeah, I'm watching it. Starting to move off of that. Even the 1 minute's pretty jacked up. Golly, that is not bright at all. There we go.
And so what would we want to see happen? That's reaction on the 4-hour, 1 hour right now. There's a little bit of structure. The play should have happened right around, I would say, the 23,480 area, somewhere around there, and it didn't.
It went to the 75% mark of that new week open gap. I mean, that's all I can go off of here, which is arguably something, I guess, but not. I don't know.
What about?
Oh my god! Can you hear those dogs?
Very little, very very little.
I'm not obviously not in on this busy. I don't.
No, but that is. Let's see. That looks to be the move, and then take it up to that high.
What high?
I have marked out a 4-hour high. That's the high, all-time high. I'm not in it, but I'm just
right
talking.
now, it's a small stop loss if you wanted to gain into that, but
what is it? Oh, 15-point stop loss.
Well, it was a lot better just a second ago.
Yeah.
I mean, you're getting a better potential fill here, but what's my premise? I mean, am I going off the 75% retracement into the new week open gap? Do I think that that's what holds price for the rest of the day? You know?
Yeah. Well, right now it's only a 10-point stop loss. No, let's see. What's the case to the downside?
1 hour city.
I see it.
I mean, if you were to make that case, but I mean, premise is up. You know, we got a big new week open gap pricing into that. Yeah, look at this dude. There's a volume imbalance where you would have your stop loss. Big ass 5-minute wick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Jeez. Is that a loser yet? That's not a loser yet.
What? You don't see
that is a loser. Yeah, it is a loser.
Like, you don't see that candle that nearly went to the bottom?
Right there. No, I don't see it.
What?
It's a tiny little small wick. I didn't see an immediate
Check
reaction
out
to it.
MNQ.
Oh, that's probably why. Let's see.
No, you're going to be surprised, and that's really weird, actually.
Oh, Jesus.
Why does that not exist on NQ? I don't know.
I do not know. NQ.
That is odd. I've never seen that in the years I've been watching the two together. That wick nearly took out the lows. That's crazy. Crazy.
That is wild.
Well, you got Tanja, you got Patty Cake going.
No. Let's see what Pee-wee.
Pee-wee.
It's okay to call him from what we call him.
Patty Cake and Pee-wee, yeah. Patrick's is boring.
Patrick is boring. The name Patrick is very boring.
Yeah, Pee-wee. We know who we're talking about. Is he going to make $1 million in this? Does he follow his 15-minute strategy? We're inside his 15-minute range. If you're following what he's teaching.
It looks like he has a couple losses.
I would imagine so, yeah.
And then now he's in a short and he's up a little bit.
He got right in a short. Well, no, it did break out of his 15-minute range. I stand corrected. So he probably went long right there.
No, short. He's short.
His loss was probably long, and then
yeah,
now he's short. I gotta follow those wicks though. It's gonna be choppy. This is non-farm payroll, right? So if we look at our calendar, yeah, nothing today, right? Jolts tomorrow at 8:00, and
8:00. 8:00. I like 8:00. I guess better.
We got funds rate on Wednesday.
Oh, great.
So no trading Wednesday. Mm-hmm. I mean, we can look at the 6:30. You got 6:15 non-farm employment change coming out. 6:30 advanced GDP. You got a bunch of news coming out right then.
Dude, MNQ is wild. Take a look at that wick on MNQ now.
Yeah, no, it's completely different.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Okay, so back to this. So yeah, the statement, the conference, the funds rate, all that. So Wednesday news might do something. We got 8:00 tomorrow, but Wednesday you might look early for the early news, but it might not do anything waiting for noon. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So shit. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if this thing's gonna creep up, it's not doing it in the way that we want to trade, right? So.
Yeah, no, not at all.
All right, I'm gonna get back to Thinkorswim. I'm gonna.
Okay. What's the first one that you did? SOXL. What did you sell?
I don't know. The 21s. Delete. I'm gonna delete that group. Yes. So move group to premium. I'm not sure how I want this. See, I've already saved. Yeah. Done this once already. I don't care about mark change. Trade price I do. Days, right? So then I care about delta. I don't care about Vega right now necessarily, and theta. And ETHA, I sold 25s. So essentially, I have $4,600 working for me right now. So I've invested against $4,600.
$4,600, and you're gonna get back how much?
We're in the mid 30s, low 30% annualized. Makes sense.
Yep. I was just writing that down.
We're just long-handed.
Oh, so that I can put it in an Excel spreadsheet later.
Right. So that's cool. That's cool. Looks like TQQQ. It's expensive, but its volatility is jumping up. And NUGT, let me check them out real quick. NUGT, I'm curious. They're pretty high, pretty expensive as well. Let's see. God, they're yearly low, or at least beginning of the year, down in 30s.
30s.
They're trading 74 now. But let's see what.
I can do this.
So yeah. Oh man, they do weeklies, but man, the spread on NUGT is terrible.
Take a look at ARKK.
Yeah, ARK Innovations. Yeah, ARK Innovations right now has a 41% implied volatility, so it's low on my list, but $77. That's an actual SIBI entry on the 1 minute, by the way. Pretty ugly price action at the moment.
Ugly.
All right.
Maybe because of the 1 hour SIBI, but it's not really reacting.
All right. So TQQQ is the pro shares. This trading probably going to give you, let's see,
That's
what
expensive.
you want around the 80. So 10 points, meaning it could go to 70 and you could still be selling calls against it. Not a bad, it's just expensive, right? I mean, I'm going to be investing 8,000 for that same percent. I'm curious about that Bitcoin. Let's look at that one.
Bitcoin? I feel like Bitcoin would.
BITO. It's ProShares Bitcoin ETF.
Oh, what's the symbol?
BITO. Options are terrible.
Oh God, there's no volume.
Yeah. I don't love it. Mm-hmm. Dude, my computer, you know what? I don't know, I'm fighting. Probably the camera and all the stuff. Like my mouse is going. Fucking hell. Let's get back to TQQQ. I need to look at the potential here. So if I go for the 80 strike, that's not enough.
Let's see why.
What do we got going on, man? It's so this is a, you can't argue with a reaction to the upside, right? But it's shitty. It's not what we usually look for.
And it's pretty bad.
Mm-hmm.
Not to mention it already lost.
Oh, you're referring to that.
Yeah, to the BISI at 745.
Yeah, sure did. Sure enough. So what I'm going to do with TQQQ, I'm not going to get into it when it's up 1.1%. So we're going to keep an eye on TQQQ. I want a pullback, right? We're at its highs. I want to get something that pulls back 5 points or, whatever.
Okay.
Whatever I can get. Just to get a little bit better and not be paying too much, We can move to ARC. Let's see what ARC gives us. ARC is absolutely at its highs. It would have been better to have gotten in a couple days ago.
That was ARC the one that was wild? Let me go back to the chart.
No.
TQQQ. That was, imagine writing that down from what?
Well,
February?
so that's that February high NASDAQ to its lows that we watched, that whole 22% correction or whatever it was.
Yeah.
It definitely follows, spider.
Imagine being in it. We talked about it. That's what you want. You can average down.
You don't want a 50% pullback. I mean, you can handle it with cash on the side, right?
Sure. The idea, the alternative is your averaged low that by now you would have sold out and restarted.
Okay, let me get going with. Tell you what I was. Here's a wild idea. All right.
Okay.
You can see me, right? So several of these ETFs that we have sell, they have weeklies.
Uh-huh.
But on a weekly, you can't go far out, right?
Yeah. No.
You're 7 days, 5 days, whatever, depends on what you put it on, and you can't get that far out. And so getting exercised is highly likely, at least hit and in the money, highly likely for sure. But what if the weeklies are available out a month out? You follow what I'm getting at? And you can, like now on Monday, I'm 32 days or whatever.
Yeah.
But next Monday, I can look again.
Yeah.
Right. And I can still sell puts, cash secured puts.
Yeah.
Every week, but not on that weekly 5-day expiration left. I'm doing it out 30 days.
30 day. You're selling weeklies further out.
Yeah, but I'm doing it 30 days out.
Yeah.
So it means at any one time, while one's expiring, if you're putting another one on, you are at least 4 positions in.
I see.
So you invest more, but do the math.
Yeah, you're investing. Well,
so if let's say you're 0.03, times 52, you're 156% return. Doing it like that. Now you have to think about. I mean, it gets complicated, and you just have to. You have to realize that you get exercise. Say you get exercised. Let's say you go in the money on 2 puts, but only one gets exercised, right?
Yeah.
You're only going to be, because the other one's in the money. It's not exercised yet.
Yeah.
You're going to be only selling calls on what gets exercised.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It does.
But you cannot follow that same. Let's see, how does that work? So if you're long, whatever your exercise strike being, like 72. You're not going to be able to then sell calls every week, 30 days out, right? Because it's too many positions. So once you sell 30 days out against one exercise position, that's it.
Yeah.
You've got a balanced position on.
This is just letting me know that you need a lot of cash.
Sure.
I mean, that's what I am hearing.
It's probably smarter. I mean, the math is great. If you can think about just continuing to sell every week, 30 days out, and hardly ever getting exercise. Or if you do, it only takes a week or two and you're out of the position because it's bouncing up.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it could be pretty, especially with ARC Innovations or TQQQ, pretty detrimental if you've got 4 puts out there spread out a week apart and they all get hit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely. That's
You just have to do the math. You can't really, unless you've got a bunch of cash, do that. And if you're planning on having 10 positions in an ETF and you're cash secure, you're fine. Well, we can do it. So obviously I'm trying to find the benefit of being in like ARC Innovations versus, my SOXL, my semiconductors. I'm getting the same percent on the money with less invested. However, I mean, I guess it's all the same, right? It's all the same because I got 2,100 invested and I'm 30%, or if I got 8,000, I'm still 30%. It's just one position versus several. Yeah. So it's all kind of the same, I guess. And so then what do you look at? I guess you want to look at diversification among all of them, the ones that you plan on playing, to see, we're thinking in our minds that the whole portfolio is going to get exercised at once.
Yeah.
Right. We're thinking, oh shit, and it's going to it all goes down.
Yeah.
But I'd like to be in ETFs where it's not, if I got 6 on, maybe it's 2 or 3 of them. Right.
Yeah.
And the others are okay.
Yeah.
We're holding in the 1 hour civvy here. Just nothing's happening, bro.
Yeah. I'm looking at it. 1 hour civvy. We are holding it. What about the 4 hour? We're not in the 4 hour civvy yet.
Civvy, 4 hour civvy on NASDAQ.
There's a tiny one. Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, there is one though. It's true. We'll mark it. We'll mark it out.
4 hour.
We'll get rid of this fib. I know what happened. Okay. Oh shit. No. Yeah, man, this could be I don't know. Shitty week. We don't know.
You need a lot of money, man. You can do this. Absolutely. You can do this with the minimum. However, the minimum, actually you can't. You can't do it with a minimum, meaning that just enough with 100 shares, you need to have ready to essentially defend that position at least 2 times. That's how I see it. What's your opinion on that? I know you're saying that cash 20%, but it depends on what your positions are. I really believe that.
Well, okay. So it doesn't, having cash on the side means that you can keep playing the game when it goes against you. Like you can weather it.
Uh-huh.
But it does, not having that cash on the side and just having the one position and only one position doesn't necessarily mean that you're going like your trade doesn't work. What it'll do to you is, you'll stop making that higher premium against your investment while you're down, but you're cash secured. So unless it's a huge, terrible move that lasts years, like, you're fine, right? You're fine. You're just going to be sitting into that position, trying to sell what you can on your calls,
Yeah.
Even if you're 60 days out or something,
I always hear this everywhere. In fact, that TikTok is so good at algorithm and putting videos in front of you that you're interested in. I heard everywhere, you want to make sure that you want to own the stock. You're willing to hold the stock for long term. Don't do this on stocks that you don't want to, or ETFs that you don't want to hold. And you're right. Essentially, if you don't have cash on the side, then you just got to wait it out.
Yeah, so it's not like all of a sudden this shit don't work anymore. It's just that
you're just literally collecting your $1 or $5 every month.
Yeah, whatever you can get, you're collecting and you're waiting. Yeah, right. And that's the down.
We went into that 4-hour sipping.
I saw it. Yeah. Not sure that I'm going to be shorting the market. That's also a 1 hour, by the way.
That is.
Yeah, there's 2 civvies there in that 1 hour, at least in NASDAQ.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep.
SQQQ. So SQQQ, an inversion. Holy crap! It's $18. It's cheap, but
Ooh, it's looking. I want to short this, man. God, I want to short this.
Yeah.
What's the stop loss?
So make some rules for yourself here. If you're wanting a short, I get it. But let me get rid of Schwab. You need to make some new lows, right? Like, if this thing does not break, and I mean to split, well, there you go, bam.
There you go, man. It's starting to look really, really short.
Just fucking wick sell side. So it's argumentative still. I get we entered that 1, I entered the 4. I haven't even tested to see if my shit. You think I got time? I got time to do that. So
Order submitted.
Yeah, it worked. Okay.
Order canceled.
All right. So it did work. It's available.
It doesn't look like.
Nah. See how the body's respected at least that most current low before the high. Wicks do the damage.
Yeah.
By the looks of that, man, I don't think so, bro.
Okay.
Not for me. You can try it. 2 seconds, 1 second, boom, it's a civvy. Loss is small. There's an entry. So something in particular we're looking for, and this isn't it for me. But so I just told you that, Bitcoin options sucked. URA sucked as well.
Oh, let me take a look at those that I sent you. I haven't even pulled up the chart or anything.
I guess ETF with the wheel strategy is, diversified, quote unquote.
Yeah.
Right. And so should be less volatile.
ENPH is terrible. I'm just looking at the chart, by the way. Take a look at those that I sent you.
I will in a little bit. I'm trying to stay in ETFs. I'm not interested right now in stocks. I'd have to talk myself into that.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. Bro. It's not right. Ooh, I'm not getting a great percentage here. This thing gaps everywhere. Look at that. It's my China internet ETF.
China internet?
Crane shares, yeah.
Crane shares?
It's $36. You know, the 33s would be decent, but they do not offer. Damn, they don't offer anything. So I decided with ARC and TQQQ.
I need to make a sign for whenever I'm away from the desk. Be right back. I'll be right back, man. I'm going to the potty room, man. I'm gonna try to mute
Potty
this.
room.
Yeah,
Well,
dude.
you have to porta potty. You don't have bathrooms there.
No bath, no, or yeah, porta potty in the back.
Outside.
Wait, let's
Like a
see.
dog.
Let's see if I can mute this.
I'm not wearing those. It's hilarious. I'll be back.
All right, man. It's gone nowhere. Nowhere. It is short though.
Damn, 17. Huh?
Oof, it was short, dude. Where would target be?
Yeah, so you say stuff like that, and I'm like, dude, no, this thing sucks. That's not what we want to be in on. Fuck that. What was I just looking at? SQQQ, but why is it not? That's weird. It's number 7.
Wow, dude. Wow.
There it is.
That's the short dog.
Well, yeah.
Let's see. Shoo. I'm looking for target. I'm not in it. I'm practicing here, right? All the way back up.
Huh?
All the way
Yeah,
back
that's
up.
what I'm saying. I don't think you're. I mean, I get it. I guess the premise is 1 hour, 4 hour entry. But that's not. I don't think that's it. That's what we want. That shifts. There you go. So there you go. There's another opportunity with you into that.
Nah.
No. I mean, I'd have to get. This would work. Nice buns. Now, if we talked about this, of course we were drunk, but we're like, man, we could really get some views if she would just do that.
Yeah.
Walk around naked.
Give.
All right, I just invested another 1,600 in SQQQ. I'm gonna look at TQQQ here.
SQQQ.
That's the inverse to TQQQ.
Yeah. Inverse. Oh, jeez.
I think I figured out what I want to do here. Yeah. Anyway, you know how Thinkorswim, you go through like several ways of putting everything together. Like you organize your charts and your shit. Yeah. Simple is key. I used to like kill time and go way overboard. There's an entry with very little loss. If you're still thinking short, I think shit price action, but
Yeah.
and I'm gonna be picky here.
I'm not in, but I'm going to be telling myself that short was the way.
Yeah. Do you really still feel that though? Like, look at the wicks. Maybe. I guess it could chisel its way out.
I see why you're saying it's shitty price action. Absolutely.
I mean, it could work. It could just kind of keep going. I don't know if you go for what AM low or fill in the rest of the new week open gap potentially. You know, I mean, if it's going down, I feel like that's what it's going to do.
Yeah. It'll
go ahead and price all the way. Let's just call this. What was the close? The close was 447.75. 447. So 50 points down from here. Okay. Man. So probably around the 81. Let's do the math on that. $1.59. One. Oh no, that's not very good. Shit. 82.
I'm watching InQ like a hawk, like as if it's going to be doing something. Oh, look at that.
Oh, fuck this.
Yep.
Dude, look at MNQ versus NQ.
Dude, MNQ is different. Yeah, I was about to say that.
What's going on? Dude, it's violent. You're just not getting that. That's wild.
That is wild.
Imagine being in on NQ. You're not out,
You're not out. Yeah.
but you got killed. And then who knows about the slippage with that? It's like a gunshot.
That's wild.
That's-
No, I'm seeing that.
Yeah.
Adam saved me from a loser today.
I mean, it looks to me, wow, what a difference between the 81.5 and 82's. Got to be the trade volume. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, that's 32%. And putting up $8,200 for that one.
$8,200.
Yeah. What percent? Like we're basically at 90, right? So how do you do that? You do 82 divided by 90. It'd be a 10% pullback? No. Yeah, no, it would be. All right, I'm starting, like the idea is you're starting positions here, right? You
Wow, dude, how much are you playing with?
I'm not even at 10,000 invested yet. So
Yeah, but Jesus, that means
okay. SQQQ was $1,600. So I mean I could do the math real quick.
oh, $1,600. Okay.
Yeah. It's not I'm not that invested at the moment. These are beginning positions here. Okay. If you own an M. All right, well, I'll do it like this. We got 14,500 invested now. So
14,000.
yes, sir.
I can't even.
Oh, that's what I like. I like net lick. That's what I want in there.
Oh, what's left out of the play?
Yeah, basically. But I want it up. Let's see.
I do remember that. I do remember you liking Net Lake. It's like, what do you want to link?
Right. So it tells me like, okay, I have $421 right now. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
At with 14,500, so 14,500. No, shit. 420 divided by 14,500. Yeah, that's 2.8% for the month. So that is 35% annualized return investment on 14,500 right now. So there you
go. It's pretty amazing.
And with these weeklies, you're not going to ever trade an ETF that doesn't have weeklies, for one. But with these weeklies, you could go bi-weekly. Let it move around, maybe consider the fact that you can go weeklies or bi-weeklies 30 days out when there's pullbacks in the middle of that time frame,
Yeah.
So you get a pullback, say, okay, well, I'm gonna put on another put. It's gonna be lower, but it's this part of that same 30 day. So you're multiplying it out and getting even better.
Yeah, you're getting almost half. If you're gonna do it bi-weekly, you're gonna get half each.
Well,
each
you'd be
one.
doubling. Yeah, theoretically, it'd be doubling.
Yeah.
Still feel short. It's terrible, man.
I think the move is short, but yeah, terrible price action, right? We don't want to be in the middle of this.
So here's like the difference, when you look at margin, when you get margin. Oh, you know what I would look at? Shit, hold up. Let's hold that thought. As opposed to day trading straight up, I wanted to see just, let's get over to ES. Well, let's just say I think we won't trade below the new week open gap. Fuck, I got to get over to ES. Hold on.
Verticals.
Which is here. Yeah, let's say we stay above. I'm thinking, which we don't have a reaction to it, so I don't know why I would trade that way. But let's just say we made the low of the day at 420, basically 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are we at? 425. So I can get $1.45 on a 5-point spread.
$1.45.
Yeah. $75. If I have to cut this thing off, it's half. So it's a 2-to-1. And saying that we put our low in for the day, essentially. That's what I could do now. Just curious,
Lock it in, dude. People trade it.
Bob's he's getting limit order rejections and stops and take profit rejections. I don't know. I mean, you have to, you got to, that would take a while to dissect with it.
You would have to actually look to see what he's trying to do.
Yeah, and then I just look at his accounts, how he signed in, and he has a lot. I need to see if Robert will help him. Dividends. The end story is that something that you could trust putting your money into is going to be 8% average on those.
Wow.
Which the market's, buy and hold spider and it delivers better.
Yeah.
JP Morgan has one. Jeppy. J-E-P-I.
Yeah.
Jeppy. Pays dividends. You're still in Misty and Ulti, right?
Yeah, I'm still in them.
Well, let's see how it goes. If it drops exactly the dividend amount, you're going to need to wait a day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll need to wait a day and hope that it recovers. If it recovers the next day, then you can sell your shares. Now, if it doesn't, it continues lower, what do you do?
I don't know. I was thinking about that. I'm looking at the chart right now, and I think it did exactly that. Let's see.
Oh, on the last dividend?
20. Well, no, it did worse. Got 10 cents a share, and that day it dropped 40 cents.
Okay, so you know down 30 cents per share,
Yeah.
but you're trying to profit. So honestly, you're down 40 cents per share. You want to make the 10 cents, so it's got to get back up. Is it back up yet?
It started up this morning. Gapped up. It gapped up and got to the same price.
Okay.
To the same price that it was the day prior to payout.
Oh, so you could have got out.
You could have got, yeah.
I mean, that's your hope. Yeah, obviously the day of, it makes sense that, I mean, it should, as expected,
But
be a cheaper.
here's the problem. Here's the problem that you're not really thinking it. That was from that day. That's not from the entry or the move. You get what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. Well, okay. So what was that ex-dividend date for that payout? Do you know?
I don't know.
So you're right. You got to go back then and be like the day before it, where you're gonna buy in. Yeah,
it's worse.
So it's going down. It's
going down.
Yeah.
The
it's eroding, which makes sense.
The only thing that is decent, it's been at these price levels since February. So think about that.
Yeah.
So if it's constant and if it really truly doesn't trend down, you're doing really good.
It takes a year to pay out around $5 back to you.
Yeah.
And so, and we're talking about Misty?
Yes.
And it pays 10 cents a share. So yeah, $5. So in a year from now, if it's trading around 16, then you've made no money.
You're breaking even.
Yeah, man. Have you talked to your friend about that idea? Like, have you asked him, say, hey, man, you know, this typically happens. How do you handle that? And, you know, have you been exposed to that, you know, from your ex-dividend date? Plus,
no, I haven't had that conversation.
I'd like that with him.
Yeah.
You got to test to see if he's prepared to answer that question or not.
The only thing that he mentioned is he has a stop loss in mind. He hasn't placed it, but that's the only thing that I can think of that he's doing to protect himself.
Yeah.
I don't know what that stop loss is, so. Back to NQ. Wow, nothing.
I'm committed to 9 our time.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I need to send a couple of text messages here.
Oh my goodness. I'm just killing my battery here.
What battery?
Trade on the iPad just so that it's easier when it's time to walk out of here. If I'm in a position, it's all set up. I'll be right back.
Okay. Rhonda's on her way, Adam. Nothing really happening in the markets.
Oh yeah, I'm back. Sorry.
So,
What you say?
Rhonda's on her way, so I'm probably gonna have to cut the stream short. Market isn't doing anything anyways.
I agree.
Going in, pulls in.
And what'd you say about Tanja?
Nothing. I was just talking about Rhonda.
Oh, Rhonda. Rhonda.
Tanja isn't even online. How's our buddy Pee Wee doing?
I mean, I can see him making money in this. Like, it goes a little bit, those wicks, boom, I'm out. Yeah, screaming. Fuck you, chat. Fuck you, chat.
Yeah, I ain't poor.
Yeah.
I smell a lot of poor in the chat.
Smell you poor people.
Yeah, I can smell you poor people from the other side of the screen.
Yeah, I agree, man. I'm highly uninterested here. So
yeah, alrighty, dude. Well, I'm gonna cut it short. We'll get with you later.
How did real quick though? Curious.
Yeah.
How did it all turned out? Pretty nice. Sweet. All right. I need to get with you. I need that paper you made.
Oh, yeah.
And I need that cord. I want to extend that cord so I can get this thing over here.
Okay, cool.
Look at all this crap that's going on. So, how long do you think that cord is?
I'm not sure. I think I have one. I'll have to look. Oh, here Ms. Rhonda.
All
See you guys later, man.
Peace.
Peace out.